So now I am going to discuss about the structure of an atom. So what are the fundamental particles are present in the atom? So electron is identified by J.J. Thomson. Electron have negative sign, it is present in the orbitals. Proton have positive sign +1, identified by Rutherford. It is also present in nucleus, center of the atom. Neutron is identified by Chadwick. It has zero charge, that is zero, charge is zero. It is also present in the nucleus of an atom. And also, now look at the structure of an atom. From this structure, from this nucleus there will be a proton and a neutron is present. From this outer there will be a orbitals, electrons are present in the orbitals. So this is the structure of an atom. Here I am taking the carbon atom. Every atom can be expressed in this manner. Now how to write the atomic number and the atomic mass in the atom? Now look at the board. Suppose if I am taking carbon, here there will be a 6. What is the meaning of this? This is atomic number. What is the atomic number? Atomic number is the number of proton or electron. Suppose if I am writing here 12, what is that? Atomic mass. Atomic mass is the number of proton plus neutron. So if you want a number of neutron means you have to subtract. So neutron means you have to subtract atomic mass minus atomic number. Atomic mass here is 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So suppose if I am writing C613, if I am one number of neutrons, what do? 13 minus 6, there will be a 7. That is the number of neutrons. So if you want a number of neutron means you have to subtract atomic mass minus atomic number. Suppose if I am want a number of electron, you have to look at only the atomic number, because atomic number is nothing but number of proton or electron. So here there will be a 6. Here there will be a 6. If you want number of proton, you can look at the atomic number. So once again you have to remember this. Atomic number is the number of proton or electron. Atomic mass is the sum of proton plus neutron. Now look at here, there will be a some of the atoms, there will be a changes in the number of neutrons. Look at that, there will be a 6 carbon 12. Next one is 6 carbon 13. 6 carbon 14. These are all same atomic number, different mass number. These type of elements are collectively called as isotopes. Same atomic number, different mass number is called as isotopes. Next one is if you take argon and potassium. Here there will be 18 different atomic numbers, but mass number is same. So that's why it is called as isobars. Suppose if you take isotones, you can look at one is 1 hydrogen 3. Atomic mass is 3, number is 1. Next one is helium 2, helium 4. So both atomic number, atomic mass, both are different, but there will be a number of neutron is same. Look at that, there will be a first atom, hydrogen, there will be a number of neutron is 2. If you take helium, there will be a 2. So same number of neutrons. You know that there will be iso means same, tone means neutron, same number of neutron. That's why it is called as isotones. Next one is if you take F minus, normal fluorine atomic number is 9. Here there will be a F minus. That means you have to add one more electron here. So the number of electron is 10. Sodium atomic number is 11. Here there will be a Na plus. So you have to remove one electron. If there will be an atom with the negative sign, you have to add the number of electron. There will be an atom with positive sign, you have to remove the number of positive signs. So sodium atomic number 11. So there will be Na plus, you can remove. There will be a number of electron is 10. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Here there will be a Mg2 plus. So you have to remove 2 electrons. The number of electron is 10. So all the ions have the same number of electron. Once again you can look at iso means same, electron means electron. Same number of electron. That's why it is called as a isoelectronic species. So these are some of the types how the fundamental particle will be changed into the atoms, that will be called as. Now look at there will be isotope, same atomic number, different mass number. If it is isobars, same mass number, different atomic number. Both are different, but number of neutron is equal, that is called as isotones. Number of electron is equal, that will be called as isoelectronic. Now look at some of the examples. Here there will be a nitrogen, atomic number is same, different mass number. That is called as what? Yeah, isotopes, right. Next one is if you take both the atomic number, mass number is different, but number of neutron is equal. Suppose if you take the oxygen, there will be a number of neutron is 8. Next there will be a 7, N, nitrogen 15, there will be a number of neutron is 8. So both are have the same number of neutron, that is called as isotones. Tone means neutrons. Next one is there will be a O2 minus and Na plus. Here there will be a number of electron is equal. Already we have discussed, right?